Birdie, birdie, birdie. My bird rolls back and forth. My chicken rolls back and forth all night. You know, I pull her like that, and then she can roll out to the compost pile. My compost pile out there is where I pee. And there's a lot more bugs. There's a lot of bugs in here. There's a lot of crumbs in here, so she gets a lot of grains. A little bit of bugs in here. And she walks out there and gets more bugs. Good bird. I made a new self-moving chicken tractor. She loves it. Here's the water dish. It's just a circle that I melted in the bottom of it and pushed it in so it has an inner lip. And yeah, it only needs to be filled up like once a week. And the cage is 2 inches by 4 inch holes, so it's big enough for the eggs to fall through so that she doesn't tumble them and break them, but it's close enough together to where she can't get out and to where her feet can are most likely to be stepping on it and move it instead of stepping through. But she still can step through and scratch. So 2 inch by 4 inch is perfect. Perfect fencing size ratio. You guys are awesome. What's up, JC? Hi! How are you? Willy, 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 willy. Good morning.